It's really super soft. Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing Wishful Skin's enzyme scrub. I've kind of destroyed the packaging. It got torn in my drawer because there was no space. I have a lot of stuff in my drawer basically, especially skincare and a lot of masks. So this packaging kind of just got torn from top and I'm not so happy about it. So this is the way the packaging of the Wishful scrub looks from outside. I feel really sad about this box, but anyway trace, it's of no use after I remove it. And this is the way the scrub looks like on the inside. I actually went ahead with the 40 ml one because the 100 ml tube was out of stock on Nykaa, and I basically couldn't get my hands on that one, and this retails for about $18.50 and the 100 ml tube retails for $3,400. So it's mostly like around in about I think 60 ml of difference you get. There is a price difference of about $1,600 for 60 ml. So I have not actually done the calculation which one is worth it and which one isn't, but I really think that you're getting 60 ml for $1,600 is a much more better deal or a better option if you see that way. So this scrub basically it's enriched with pineapple enzyme, which is bromelain, and papaya enzyme and papain from papaya, and these enzymes basically are responsible for clearing dead skin cells off your face, and it's also loaded with AHA and BHA, which are known for clarifying your skin and cleansing your pores. So basically this enzyme scrub is loaded with I think this enzyme scrub is just loaded with skin clearing ingredients and everything to just remove off every bit of dirt from your face. So this is the way the scrub looks like, and it's a very light lotion like texture. So all you have to do is just apply all over your face and just keep scrubbing. And because this has fine cellulose fibers which are just going to catch all the dead skin cells which have been removed by bromelain, papain and AHA, BHA, and are just responsible for holding on to the dirt and debris so they don't settle back onto your skin. So I'm going to apply it on my face now, and I'm going to scrub my face, and let's see how this thing works. So I'm going to take this on my face now and start scrubbing my face. Go ahead with some more and just scrub all my face over again. This has a really fresh smell. It literally smells as if you walked into a spa. Basically it smells like that really lovely fragrance when you walk into a Thai spa, like a bit like lemongrass. I think it really has this it really has that fresh spa sort of fragrance. I don't know if you guys buy it and smell it, you guys might just understand what I'm saying, but it smells a bit like lemongrass. Oh my god, it's just taken. I have so many grains on my face. I'm a bit embarrassed over here considering the way I do my skincare, and I have some huge grains on my face. So all you have to do is later just rinse it off with warm water, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and wash my face with warm water and get back to you guys. Wash my face with warm water, and I think my skin feels really smooth, and I don't know if it's cleared my pores, but I really think it's just done a very good job, and my skin feels very even and it feels super smooth. And I don't know if you guys can figure out the difference, but I think there is some difference. My skin feels very smooth, and it feels really super soft. I think the scrub is really true to what it wants to do. I really saw the cellulose fibers, you know, just do their job and collecting every dime of dirt from my face while the scrub was removing it. My skin feels really super soft and it feels really smooth. And considering, I think I just took around, I think, 2 pumps, if I had to give you guys an indication of how much I took, because even the first pump, you guys must have seen that there were all these big grains on my face, and they just took out every bit of dirt and collected it. So obviously, considering that I did my skincare routine in the morning, I also had put a clay mask previous night, and I really think that this mask is just true to its words, because my skin feels really super soft. I don't know if it's worked into my pores or not, but I really think that they have. I really think that my pores feel really smooth, and I really think that I don't feel any unevenness around my nose or on my chin. I think it's just done a good job when it comes to taking out the dead skin cells of my face, and especially taking out the upper layer of excess oil, and you know, just left my pore with its natural integrity. I really think this has done a really good job, because like I said, I think it's just, you know, done its deed. But when it comes to deep, I don't think it's deeply cleansed my pores the way I expected it to. So I really think that around my nose I don't feel any unevenness, but I don't think around my chin I have very deep rooted, you know, pores, and I have these small whiteheads. I think everybody has it, but I don't think it's cleared that. So that's the reason I think I would give this scrub a 8 on 10, considering it being loaded with BHA and not being able to clarify or cleanse my pore internally completely the way I wanted to. Apart from that, I think it's done a very good job when it comes to cleansing my face. My skin feels really soft. I don't feel as if I have, you know, put any enzyme scrub, nor there was any itching, nor, you know, there wasn't even any itching, there wasn't even any irritation when I applied the scrub. So this is a very gentle and a very lovely consistency enzyme scrub. Like, when I thought about enzyme scrub, I really thought that it would be loaded with some, you know, apricot extracts, and along with it would be loaded with, you know, these enzymes. I really thought this would be a very rough sort of scrub, and would be like a very a cleansing scrub, but on a very intense level, considering the, you know, considering the extracts and considering the ingredients it has. So I really expected a lot from this, but I really think it's done a pretty good job. I really feel my skin is very smooth, and topically I think it's just clarified my skin very well. So on a deep level, I don't think it has. Maybe I'll just give it a try once or twice again, then attach the reviews down on my description. So keep an eye on my description, guys, or I'll upload a YouTube short maybe on this. So again, these are available on Nykaa for you guys, and probably they're sold out. So keep an eye on Nykaa. I'm gonna attach the link where you guys can shop these, basically, so you guys can directly go there, and so you guys can directly go down and check out. So hope you guys like the video, and hope you guys like the review. And for the note, I am a combination skin. There's a reason I have a lot of clogged pores on my chin and on my nose, but my nose feels very super smooth. So hope you guys like the video, and do subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram as well. I post there a lot, and it would be really nice of you if you guys followed me there as well. So hope you guys like the video, and see you guys soon.